If you're looking to pay international employees with ease, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to use Oyster to manage payments for your global team. Stick with me to the end because I'll share a special way you can get started with Oyster for free, something that can save you a lot of time and effort when managing remote teams worldwide. Oyster is an amazing platform for hiring, paying, and managing international employees without all the complicated administrative tasks. Whether you're a startup or an established business, Oyster helps you hire globally while handling payroll, compliance, and benefits, no matter where your employees are located. First, let's talk about setting up your company in Oyster. You'll need to create an account and enter some basic company details. Once that's done, Oyster will guide you through the process of adding international team members, whether they're in Europe, Asia, the Americas, or beyond. The platform automatically adjusts for local laws, so you don't have to worry about managing tax compliance or labor regulations in each country. Oyster software is smart enough to handle those nuances for you. Next, you can start adding employees. You'll input their basic information such as job titles, locations, and salaries. Oyster lets you easily create contracts based on local laws, and you can offer benefits that are in line with the country's legal requirements. You can choose from a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers and even local payment options in some countries. This flexibility ensures that your international employees are paid in a way that suits them. Now let's talk about paying your team. Oyster offers payroll services in over 180 countries, and the best part is, you can automate payroll runs. The system calculates everything automatically, from taxes to benefits, so you never miss a deadline. You can also generate payroll reports that show a breakdown of employee earnings, taxes, and deductions all in one place. Managing payments through Oyster is straightforward. You can set up recurring payments and one-time bonuses for your employees directly through the platform. It also allows you to handle conversions for different currencies, so you don't have to worry about exchange rates manually. Everything is streamlined, and Oyster takes care of the complexities. Now, for the best part, if you're wondering about the costs, don't worry. You can actually start using Oyster completely for free. Just click the first link in the description below to get access to an exclusive extended trial. This is a great opportunity for businesses looking to scale internationally without the overhead of complicated payroll systems. You'll be able to test out all of Oyster's features with zero commitment, and you'll get the added benefit of special bonuses we've arranged for you. If you're looking to simplify the way you pay international employees, Oyster is definitely the tool you want to use. It saves you time and keeps you compliant, all while ensuring your team gets paid on time and in the right currency. So, check out the first link below for your free trial and get started with Oyster today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.